Hey, Mike here with Foundation Homes Property Management. I'm going to take you on a tour here of 5 Harvard Drive. We're in the Hillview neighborhood located in the flats of Larkspur, kind of bordering Larkspur and Kentfield, prime location. Here's the front entry, little stone garden, double door. We're going to enter into the house. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. Here's your formal living room at the front of the house. This is quite a large room. I'd say it's probably in the realm of 22 feet by 18 feet if I had to guesstimate. Got the double-sided brick fireplace here. Over here we have what would be considered your dining room. Again, we're right by the front door. And I'm going to take you through the doorway on the right. This takes you into the middle section of the house. Got the kitchen over here on your left. French door fridge, 5-burner gas grill and oven combo, all stainless appliances, stone counters, tile backsplash. Come around here. This would be your family room. Could also be your dining room, but as far as the original design of the house, we do have central heat, and there are a couple wall air conditioning units in the house. Over here on the right would be your patio, kind of side yard, the large slider. Now we come back to the back third of the house, and this is going to be bedroom number 1 over here. So I'll take you through. Closet over here on your left. Kind of standard, just a large wall closet with a long hang bar. Now we're going to come back through. I'm going to show you the master suite last. Here's the full hall bath. The tub shower combo. We're gonna come back out to the back bedroom. This would be the larger of the 2 hall bedrooms. You can see another wall air conditioning unit. And over here we've got the swimming pool. If you look closely, you'll see a cute little ducky right there just hanging out. So swimming pool, hot tub. The owner does provide hot tub and pool service as well as gardening service for the house. And as we walk back towards the middle of the house, we're going to hang a left here into the master suite. So you've got his and hers closets. The double hang bar here on the left. Now we're gonna come into the master bath. Here's your vanity, toilet, glass encased shower stall. Over here you've got a nice large window that's frosted for privacy. You see the duck again, the duck's still there. Looks out onto the center courtyard or side courtyard. Got some solar panels helping to offset electrical costs here at the house. Dual pane slider. And that is the interior of the house. The last thing I'll show you is the large 2-car garage with Tesla charger. Washer dryer come with the house. And you got some storage. Lofted storage shelves up here. Little workbench. Lots of storage over here. We've got all the paint colors for touch-ups and rolling out walls.